Apiculture is the science and culture of honeybee and their management. Honeybee belongs to class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae, genus Apis. A beekeeper or apiarist keeps bees in order to collect their honey and other products like beeswax, propolis, royal jelly, etc. Caste system of honeybee. Queen bee. The queen lays eggs and is responsible for the colony's growth. Worker bees. Female workers perform various tasks, such as foraging, caring for young, and defending the colony. Drones. Male drones are responsible for mating with the queen. During catching of a swarm, basket is placed above the bee cluster and the cluster is gently pushed upwards so that the bees start ascending into the basket. Once the queen has entered, the whole swarm will follow the queen. The swarm from the swarm-catching basket is then shaken on a prepared hive and immediately covered it. First, smoke the hive to calm the bees and reduce the chances of stings. Carefully remove the honeycomb frames and gently lift out the frames filled with honeycomb. Use a soft brush or shake the frame gently to remove any bees still on the comb. Ensure all bees are away before proceeding. Cut the honeycomb from the wooden frame using a knife. Crush the comb to release the honey into a clean container and crush it thoroughly using clean hands. Pour the honey into bottles. And finally, seal the jars tightly and store them in a cool, dry, and dark place